Hello everyone, my name is Daria. I'm a proud co-founder and CEO of FriendsFair, the first marketplace in Germany for individuals, freelancers and small businesses willing to offer their handmade goods, local services and workshops online. The mission of FriendsFair is to revive the German microeconomy and offer you an opportunity to offer handmade goods, local services and workshops online with just few clicks. Here we would like to very quickly thank all of our partners, Founder Institute, Holy Incubator from Hamburg, Send, Social Enterprise Network in Germany, and Migrapreneur. Thank you so much for your support. At FriendsFair, anyone is welcome. This is why we have created several benefits for our sellers. First of all, you can start without any investment. Creating shop at FriendsFair, adding your own logo, your shop description, and even your offers is free of charge. You are your own boss on FriendsFair. You can create goods, services, workshops, any offers you prefer by yourself, add descriptions, add tags, add pictures, everything as easy as adding a couple of pictures in any of the social networks. At FriendsFair, you profit from the seamless operation. For you, we have partnered with Stripe, one of the strongest and securest payment providers. This is why you do not need to worry about invoices, sending out money or receiving your commission. Everything is already done for you. The only thing that you need is to connect your personal account and start getting your money when selling. At FriendsFair, you pay only one fee. Each time you sell, you pay a fee of around 10%, which already includes your fee to FriendsFair and the commission for the Stripe, your payment provider. Respectively, you will not pay any additional commissions. And even the commission of 10% you can include in the price of your goods, so you can definitely benefit from your own price estimation. FriendsFair is truly for everyone. This is why we have created 2 levels of complexity for you to create your shop. If you want to make it simple, you can start selling within several minutes. If you want to be more progressive and you always wanted to have your online web shop, then please attend our FriendsFair Academy to learn more on how to use tags, SEO optimization and even artificial intelligence when working with FriendsFair. Otherwise, you can start just within some minutes. FriendsFair is not just local, but also sustainable. This is why we have included for you 3 types of delivery. The first one being the classic, sending per post of your choosing. The second one being pick up from your chosen location by the buyer, and the third one being delivery by the seller, so by you, against a commission or for free. It's up to you. FriendsFair welcomes Multiculture Community. This is why we have created for you an opportunity to offer your goods according to your culture, your services and workshops in your native language. And this is why any of the buyers can also filter by such filters as language and culture, everything that they find on the platform. We believe that we need to cherish our culture, but we also should be able to enjoy the cultures of others. Become a part of the FriendsFair seller community today and register to be one of our first sellers.